Astroice jewelry in the building, man. As you guys see, man, we got a surprise unboxing for you guys in this box right here, man. You guys been waiting for this for a very, very long time. Our 19mm prong set Cuban link in vermil and moissanite, man. So let's go ahead, get straight into it. This is the packaging you receive when you shop with Astroice Jewelry, man. AstroiceJewelry.com, man. Make sure you shop with Astroice Jewelry. It's the only way to go, man. So look, this is the packaging right here. Go ahead, put that box to the side. Our 19mm prong set Cuban link with a solid silver base and moissanite stones that ring on a diamond tester, man. You guys been waiting for this review for a super, super long time. And you know, Astroice Jewelry, man, we do not disappoint our customers. There's the pouch. And boom. Right here, man, we got it. Yes, sir, man. Wrapped in our super safe, protected plastic that it comes in. Gonna go ahead and unwrap that for you guys. Ooh-wee. Look at that ice, man. This is just crazy right here. Boom. Put that plastic to the side. As you guys see, we got the 925 on the back. And we got the beautiful moissanite stones on the front, man. Super high quality moissanite stones right here. Yes, sir, man. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. Give you guys a close-up of that lock. I'm gonna go ahead, throw it on the wrist, man. Show you guys how it's looking. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. Coming with the hottest reviews on YouTube, man. The hottest jewelry reviews on YouTube. Nobody does it like us, man. Astroice Jewelry in the building. Look at this. Moissanite stones shining like crazy. Let's get that box lock in there. Man, you cannot play no games with this, man. You can literally compare this to a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 bracelet for under $1,000 or around $1,000, man. This thing is just crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, this ice is crazy, man. Moissanite stones, man. So look, if you guys want a bracelet to last forever, definitely have to go the vermil option. If you want it to shine like real diamonds, definitely have to go the moissanite option, man. This thing is crazy. Let me go ahead and grab that diamond tester. All right, guys, so we have the diamond tester right here. We got the moissanite bracelet right here. We're gonna go ahead, get a nice angle for you guys. Boom. There we go, man. Moissanite stones ringing on a diamond tester. You guys see that, man? You guys see that? Let's get it, man. Let's get it. I'm gonna give you guys a better angle after, but this is showing you guys on the wrist, man. Trying to get you guys that best view right there, man. Moissanite stones ringing on a diamond tester. Yes, sir, man. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. Not playing no games, man. Let's go ahead and test all those random stones. Moissanite stones in the building, man. Let's get it. Astroice Jewelry in the building. As you guys can see, man, we're not playing no games, man. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. Got the drip on the wrist. Go ahead and give you guys a close-up, man. This thing is just looking crazy, man. Super, super, super icy. Astroice Jewelry in the building. 19mm prong set Cuban link in vermil and moissanite, man. Now we do have a silver and moissanite collection, so you don't have to go to the regular one and then choose the option. You can go straight to the silver and moissanite collection, and we have the vermil and moissanite option available in that collection, man. So go ahead and get right, man. We got all our chains, pendants, and we're gonna keep adding more to that collection, man. We want you guys to get that jewelry that lasts forever, man. And this thing plays no games right here. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. We're gonna make a statement, man. We coming in strong, and we're gonna make a statement. Right now, our whole collection for Black Friday and Cyber Monday and the whole weekend is 30% off. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching the video, man. Definitely stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot of very cool videos coming out on our Instagram and our YouTube and all of our other social media platforms. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, follow, all that good stuff, man, on our Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. And we're gonna be coming out with some super, super crazy content, man. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. We got a lot of more moissanite and silver collection videos coming very, very soon. See you guys in the next one.